Welcome to the ultimate countdown of the 20 most impressive DeWalt tools on the market right now, where raw power cutting-edge tech and practical design collide to create gear that doesn't just work hard, it looks absolutely badass while doing it. We're talking about a tool that can lift heavy slabs using nothing but suction, a nailer that firepowers straight into concrete with no cords and no fuss, and gear that transforms back-breaking filthy jobs into something as simple as pushing a button. But here's the best part, this isn't just a tool porn video for you to drool over. I'm going to show you which ones are actually genius, which upgrades are worth the premium, and which tools will make you realize exactly why modern gear is changing the way we work every single day. If you're a tool nut, a power junkie, or you just love watching machines run smooth as silk, don't you dare scroll away, because it's about to get a whole lot crazier. Let's get into it. Alright, let's get straight to the point. These first 5 tools are at the top of the list for one simple reason. Just watching them in action is enough to keep anyone glued to the screen, and I'm being dead serious. This isn't just wow for the sake of it. These are practical heavy-duty beasts, and if you're a pro or a serious DIYer, at least 1 or 2 of these are going straight to your must-buy list. The first one on the list isn't a drill, it's the DeWalt gas pressure washer. Why? Because this is the best stress relief medicine a man can own. The specs 3,400 psi and 2.5 GPM might sound a bit dry, but imagine this 10 years of moss on a brick patio or caked on mud under your dually truck, gone in a single pass. Watching a filthy surface turn brand new in an instant is straight up addictive. Compared to those cheap electric Sun Joe units, this DeWalt is in a totally different league when it comes to pump durability and real-world pressure. If you're just washing the family sedan, 3,400 pounds per square inch is overkill. But if you're looking to start a cleaning business or tackle a massive driveway, keep an eye out for this during Lowe's Springfest. It's worth every penny, compared to buying a cheap one and replacing it every year. Next up is something that made me go, wow, the second I touched it. The DeWalt Powered Suction Lifter. DeWalt teamed up with Grabotech to create a tool that lifts heavy loads using electronic suction. It can grab onto almost anything smooth glass granite and even rough sawn timber. A 265-pound lifting capacity is no joke. Back in the day, moving a massive stone slab took 2 guys huffing and puffing, worrying about their backs and the stone cracking. Now you just hit the button, let it suck down, and you lift like a pro. The only downside, the vacuum motor is a bit noisy, but the safety for your hands and your spine is priceless. If you're doing tile work or glass installs and you don't have this, you're just punishing yourself. At number 3, if you've ever had to lug around a heavy air compressor and a tangled hose just to fire a few nails into a concrete wall, the DCN i9 will make you weep with joy. No gas, no hoses. It's 100% battery powered. It fires thump-thump straight into rock-hard concrete beams, like it's going into soft pine. 600 shots on a single charge is an insane number, enough to crush your deadlines all day long. Compared to Hilti's gas-actuated tools, which are a money pit when it comes to operating costs, DeWalt saves you a massive chunk of change on gas canisters every month. Just a heads up, it's got some heft to it, so you might need to hit the gym a bit to keep your aim steady. Moving on, and don't you dare tell me all impact drivers are the same. This new-gen DeWalt impact driver puts out 2,500 inch-pounds of torque. Let me put that in plain English, those 8-inch lag bolts, or the most stubborn rusted-out fasteners out there, they'll surrender in seconds. It's 66% more powerful than the previous generation. When you pull the trigger, that crisp mechanical hammer strike, and the fact that it never bogs down is exactly why I stay loyal to DeWalt over Milwaukee or Makita in this category. I've even used it to swap a spare tire in an emergency. It's not a dedicated high-torque impact wrench, but it still chewed through those lug nuts with ease. This is the bread and butter tool everyone needs in their bag. What do you guys think? In the battle of DeWalt versus Milwaukee Fuel, which team are you on? Drop a comment below and let's get the debate started. Closing out Group 1 is a literal monster, the 60-volt FlexVolt cutoff saw. The feeling of holding a massive saw like this with zero cords to trip over is pure freedom, guys. It's got a dual-sided water feed system to kill dust completely. As you cut, the dust just vanishes, protecting your lungs for the long haul. That 60-volt battery power allows it to rip through pavers or natural stone with zero hesitation. It's got gas engine power without the toxic fumes. How are those first 5 looking? If you're digging this, don't forget to like and subscribe because the next 15 items are even more interesting. Now let's step away from the flashy wow gear and move into what I call the secret weapons of the pros. These are the tools that might sound average at first, but once you hear the specs, you won't believe the value. Let's go. Alright, if the first 5 were the eye candy to get you hyped, this next group is all about the smart money. These are the tools that might not scream for attention, but once you've spent a real day on the job site, you'll realize exactly how much time, sweat, and pure frustration they save you. Opening up this group, we've got a tool that makes office guys go, wait, can't you just use a $20 hand cutter for that? But go ask any HVAC pro or master plumber who has to snap 102-inch PVC pipes a day how their wrists feel by 4 p.m. This DeWalt tubing cutter lets you fire off 400 cuts per charge. One pull of the trigger and the blade glides through PVC or CPVC like a hot knife through butter, perfectly square, zero burrs, and no plastic shavings flying into your eyes. Compared to the Milwaukee M12 version, this DeWalt feels more planted and has a more decisive cutting force on Schedule 40 pipe. If you're just fixing a leaky faucet at home, don't bother. But if you're roughing in an entire apartment complex, buy this yesterday. It'll get you home an hour earlier every single day. Next up is a tool most guys skip because it's too much work, the deburring tool. But skipping this step is exactly why joints leak 6 months down the road. DeWalt built this specifically to kill that lazy factor. It handles both the inside and outside of the pipe with a size range that's 33% wider than the generic stuff on the market. Instead of sitting there manually scraping and filing like it's the Stone Age, you just pop the pipe in, give it a spin, and the machine shaves every sharp edge clean in about 2 seconds. I've tried those cheap plastic Amazon reamers. They go dull or chip after 3 days. This DeWalt uses ultra-hardened steel blades that eat through different materials with ease. This is the tool that separates the hacks from the true professionals. Alright, moving on. If you're doing cabinetry, furniture, or soffit work, you're going to fall in love with this one. With a fire rate of 4 shots per second, it's so fast, you basically just glide your hand and watch the staples land in a perfect line. The brushless motor bumps the lifespan up by 57%. And let's be real, on tools that fire constantly like this, brushed motors overheat and die way too fast. What I love most is that it's gas-free. Just slap a battery in and go, no hidden operating costs, no smelly canisters. That rhythmic click-clack of the machine is incredibly satisfying. It's like the mechanical keyboard of the tool world. At number 9, we have a cordless air compressor. And I know what you're thinking. Wait, a battery-powered compressor, is there enough air for that? The answer is plenty for the Mobile Pro. This is the ultimate smart buy for maintenance guys or anyone working in spots without grid power. No more lugging a 50-pound tank and tripping over 50 feet of extension cords. This thing is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, but still packs enough punch to run a finish nailer or top off truck tires. Compared to a gas compressor that's loud and stinks, this battery unit is quiet and civilized. If you're a DIYer in an apartment and don't want your neighbors banging on your door about the noise, this is your soulmate tool. Closing out this group is the deep cut bandsaw with a massive 5-inch cutting capacity. It handles large box steel or thick pipes smoothly without the shower of sparks you get from a chop saw. The real win here is the safety and precision. The cut is so clean you barely even have to grind it afterward. It's portable, powerful, and built like a tank. What do you guys think of these 5 silent partners? Is there one here you absolutely need to level up your shop? Drop a comment below. I'll be checking the model numbers for you. If you're getting value out of this, give me a subscribe. Because in the next part, I'm moving into the gear that pros look at and just get it, no explanation needed. Now for this group, I'm going to be straight with you. Not everyone watching is going to find these exciting at first glance. But if you've ever pulled a shift on a real job site, done some serious DIY, or you're a pro by trade, you're going to see these and just start nodding your head. If you've ever seen a crew hunched over dragging a massive aluminum straight edge to level wet concrete in 100-degree heat, you'll realize exactly how much of a godsend this powered screed is. Instead of relying on pure muscle, this machine uses a vibration motor to level and compact the concrete surface to a perfect finish. It leaves the slab smooth as glass without killing your lower back. Look, a setup like this isn't exactly cheap, but when you factor in the cost of hiring extra labor and the risk of a slow pour, this machine pays for itself in no time. Compared to the gas-powered Honda units that are loud and spew fumes everywhere, DeWalt's cordless version is a total revolution for your health. Next up is the core drill and stand. As the pros know, drilling a hole through a brick wall is easy, but trying to core through a 12-inch reinforced concrete beam without a drill stand is a nightmare. If you're off by even 1 degree, you're looking at a snapped multi-$100 bit or a dangerous kickback that could take your wrist out. This DeWalt stand turns coring into a high-precision mechanical operation. It takes the guesswork out of the hands of the operator and puts it into the engineering. Just lock the machine into the rig, turn the crank, and watch that bit glide through rebar and concrete like it's nothing. If you're installing fire sprinklers or central HVAC, don't cheap out on the stand. It saves your wrists and protects those expensive bits. At number 13, we've got the combination hammer. This beast puts out 6.1 joules of impact energy. That number might sound abstract, but in the real world, it means the most stubborn concrete slabs and stone blocks are going to crumble at your feet. But what really impresses me isn't just the thump, it's the shock's active vibration control. You can chip away all afternoon and your hands won't feel like they're vibrating at 1,000 miles an hour after you let go. I've tried those cheap, no-name rotary hammers. The impact might be there, but the vibration feedback into your shoulders is brutal. With DeWalt, you're paying for the health of your joints 20 years from now. Don't mess around with hand-arm vibration syndrome. Guys. Next, we have the concrete vibrator. To an outsider, this looks like a weird fishing tool, but to a concrete guy, skipping this is a recipe for disaster. Running at 14,000 VPM vibrations per minute, it shakes every single air pocket out of the pour. Whether your concrete is rock solid and smooth or full of honeycombing voids depends entirely on this tool. DeWalt made this cordless and handheld for ultimate mobility. You can climb up scaffolding or stand on a high beam without worrying about extension cords or a gas engine stalling out on you. One pro tip: clean the head immediately after the job. If the concrete cures on that vibrator, the tool is basically a paperweight. Anyone got a shortcut for cleaning these things fast? Drop it in the comments. And the final tool in this group isn't actually a machine, it's a solution. When you need to hang tons of weight from a concrete ceiling or bolt down heavy vibrating machinery, a standard Tapcon isn't going to cut it. DeWalt offers world-class chemical anchors and undercut anchors. It's a reminder that a great tool is only 50% of the equation. The other 50% is the hardware and the correct engineering. Truth be told, this isn't exactly flashy content for a TikTok clip, but this is what keeps your structures standing through earthquakes and hurricanes. If you're a pro-level builder, use pro-level solutions. What do you think about these heavy hitters of the construction world? If you like this deep dive into the technical side of gear, smash that like button and hit subscribe. In the next part, I'm moving on to the smaller items that'll make you go, oh man, I definitely need one of those. Alright, after all those heavy hitters, let's change the pace a bit. This group isn't about being the biggest or the loudest, it's about those tools that once you see them you think, yeah, I could actually use that every single day. And truth be told, sometimes these little guys are the ones that end up being your most used gear. Not every DeWalt tool needs a 20-volt or 60-volt battery to be awesome. Sometimes the difference is just a pen. This pocket pen isn't just for signing invoices or marking lumber. It's got a stylus tip so you can use your tablet or phone without getting grease and grime all over the screen. Let's be real, as builders, our hands are always covered in dust and sweat. Trying to check a blueprint or a text on an iPad is usually a nightmare. This pen kills that pain point. It's a small detail, but it shows you're a modern, clean, and organized pro. Next up, we've got the handheld blower, or as I call it, the 175 miles per hour power broom. Why? Because 175 miles per hour wind speed and 423 cubic feet per minute are numbers that speak for themselves. Imagine finishing a job with sawdust or dry leaves all over the driveway, and with one pull of the trigger, it all vanishes in a heartbeat. Compared to a manual broom that just kicks up dust and tires you out, this blower cleans your shop 10 times faster. The concentrator nozzle is a beast for blowing out small rocks or deep-seated dust in machine crevices. Pro tip: use a high-capacity battery, 5 ampere hours or up, because this thing drinks power pretty fast. Moving to number 18. Lighting is always an afterthought until you're stuck under a truck or working in a new build with zero power. This light puts out a staggering 7,000 lumens. It's not just bright, it completely whites out a massive workspace. The coolest part, it's got Bluetooth. You can stay on your ladder and use the app to turn it on off or dim it down without moving a muscle. Compared to those cheap flea market LEDs that flicker or burn out their chips, DeWalt gives you true-to-life color that won't strain your eyes during long shifts. You really do get what you pay for here, guys. Here is the one item you absolutely cannot skip: protective eyewear's gold standard insurance for your eyes. I know we're all guilty of being lazy with safety glasses because they fog up or feel clunky. But trust me, one tiny metal shard or a splash of chemical is all it takes to end a DIY career. DeWalt's glasses are designed to wrap around your face, they're scratch-resistant, and most importantly, they don't fog up when you're wearing a mask. It's the least flashy item on the list, but it's the one I insist you keep in your bag. Being a good builder is great, but being a safe builder is what defines a 10-year veteran. To wrap up our top 20, I'm picking this little pruning chainsaw. It's the perfect proof of how massive the DeWalt battery ecosystem really is. In the morning, you're using that battery to drill into concrete. In the afternoon, you snap it into this saw to tidy up the garden and keep the wife happy. The 8-inch bar is compact enough to sneak into tight branches where a big gas saw just won't fit. Cutting through limbs with this thing feels as smooth as slicing through butter. And there you have it, 20 DeWalt powerhouses. Did you spot a little gift to self after all those long workdays? Or did you see something on the list that you think is a total waste of cash? Don't be shy. Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'll jump in there to debate it with you. If you enjoyed this series, give me a like and hit subscribe. That's the best way to make sure you catch the next one, and don't forget to hit the bell to be the first to know when we go live. Just a reminder, everything in this video is based on my 10+ years in the trade and my personal hands-on time with DeWalt gear. Your mileage, battery, life, power, durability might vary depending on your environment materials and how well you treat your tools. This video is for reference and entertainment purposes only. Using power tools, especially heavy hitters like cut-off saws and rotary hammers, comes with real risks. Always read the manual and gear up with your PPE glasses, gloves, ear protection before you start. Stay passionate, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now let's get to work.